What's up, guys? We're in Denmark, Tennessee. Actually, I call it Jackson, Tennessee. It's right outside of Jackson. And we're at DIY Auto Parts. It's like basically a pick and pull. And I come down here to look for a couple things for the Dodge Ram and for the Buick. I didn't find a whole lot. But check out this little Mitsubishi here. Got a nice little set of chrome wheels on it. Got a lot of vehicles out here, but really nothing I'm looking for today, or that I've seen so far. I'm just walking around, and I enjoy walking around looking anyway. But those are pretty decent rims on that car. Kind of a little Mitsubishi. I don't know if that's an Eclipse or what it is, but anyway, guys, I just like to walk around out here and look. I buy old license plates and stuff like that. A little warm today, a little warmer than I thought it was going to be, but not terribly bad. I think I found one Park Avenue over here. One Park Avenue. Didn't have anything I needed. Really don't need anything for the Park Avenue. I gotta get me another gas cap for it. My seal on my gas cap is bad, and my gas cap just sort of pops off of there now, so I may have to try to find it and order me a new gas cap for that thing. But I haven't found any more Park Avenues. There's a little Mustang. I like to look at emblems too. Sometimes I'll get emblems off of cars as well, if there's any decent ones. But I ain't seen a whole lot of nothing out here today. Found one little dealership plate on the front of a car. I think it says Blue Moon Auto Sales in Jackson, so I pulled that off. And they may charge $1 or $2 for that. I'm not sure. Find out when we go back through. If you do have some people out here pulling parts that they need. Just didn't find anything I needed. I was looking for some, like I said, some couple parts for the Dodge Ram, and they've got some Dodge Rams over there, but didn't have anything I needed. A lot of them's been picked through, obviously. Pretty popular trucks. A lot of them still on the road. There's an old Century. They got a couple Buick Centuries, another one behind it. This is the only Park Avenue that I found out here. Really nothing on it that I need, though. I looked at the gas cap on it. It's worse than mine. Anyway, guys, this is again DIY Auto Parts, pull apart. And it's like $2 to get in here. Pull whatever you need off of it. Bring your own tools. I brought this little box there with just a few little hand tools in it. This is the car. I got the auto dealership plate off the front of it. A couple of years ago, I come down here and got a pretty nice Tennessee Titans plate on the back of one of these old cars down here. Of course, it's not here anymore. You know, I remember it was like a blue, older model 90s Camaro. I had a personalized Tennessee Titans license plate on it. I bought that. Got me a couple of GT badges off of, I can't remember what I got them off of. Here's an old LeSabre, about the same color that my mother had. Crashed hers. I got a video on her of that, where she crashed her car. That was a shame, because it's a pretty nice car. I'm going to show you this pink. I think it's a Nissan Altima. Hot pink. Tomica. This is Tomica's car. Some dark tinted windows. Look at that flake. Can you see that flake in the paint? I don't know if it's one that like flips colors or what. I don't know. It's an old Nissan there. Old Mazda. All right, guys, I just want to get you all a view here, a little walk around of the pull apart here in Jackson, Tennessee. Actually, like I said, guys, it's Denmark, right outside of Jackson. You turn there, get off the interstate there at the McKellar-Sipes Regional Airport, and it's actually on a road called Betty Manley Road. If you like to come by and look at old cars and stuff, but just like me, not necessarily here to get any parts, but if I see something I need, I'd grab it. I did see another license plate I'm going to grab real quick over here. And then I'll be getting out of here. All right, guys, DIY Auto Parts, pick and pull, $2 to get in here, and it's just a fun day. Fun day. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.